guys? Don't mind my awful hair. I just woke up. So yeah, and don't mind my eyebrows. They're messy. But yeah, I'm going to get ready and yeah, I'm tired. But yeah. So I just got like done getting ready and stuff. So I am going to sorry, go to stores and stuff, and go to not school, well yeah, school and stuff to get something done, because I just got back from vacation. And we might get a computer, I'm not sure, but yeah, and I don't know, want to go to the Humane Society, and or the beach. So I'll see you. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next place, or I don't know. Okay. So right now I'm doing my toenails, and yeah. So they're not gonna match my fingernails, which I had done, and I love them, but they're gonna be like tan colored. This one. Sorry, you couldn't see that number, but here it is. Oh my gosh, it's Topless and Barefoot 665 by Essie. So yeah, I failed. So they're all just one color, not white, not skin color, like tannish. Yeah, that. But yeah, because I was too lazy and I ruined the rest of it. And yeah. So next, I think I'm going to the school to get some stuff. And then I'm going to go shopping. And then I might get a computer. And I want to go to the beach. And I want to go to the Humane Society. So yeah. Bye. I'll see you later. I don't know. I'm going to go to oh my gosh, stores. I'm actually going to play Xbox while I wait for my dad. Then I'll go to the Mac store and then maybe Humane Society and beach. So yeah, update a little bit. But I'm playing Xbox right now. I have the Xbox One. I'm playing Star Wars Battlefront. And yeah. Xbox is my brother. Hey. Okay, bye. What?
I need these lightning bolts.
Okay, I'll grab it.
I have.
Oh, there you go. That looks weird. Yeah, okay. Oh, no, Emily's walking. Oh, Jimmy Walker. Where is the... I don't know, is it getting harder at all? It's supposed to be, but... Doesn't seem like it. Kill him. Oh, these guys are rock on. I got him. Oh. What? Where's all of these? Do you do that? Oh, okay.
Before and after. There's my eyebrows. No, I'm gonna do it. I don't know. So yeah, comment if you like them. Be honest, I don't know.
Hi everyone.
No!
We have a bug assault gun. Normally
it kills
kills.
a fly. It would hurt me.
But she's already shot me before, and she promised that I get to shoot her if she shot me.
Hurt.
Okay, turn around, Clara.
you hide? Brandon. Hey. Brandon. He's so cute. Lay down. Lay down. It's too hot. You want water? Yeah. You get too hot. You don't think there's any water. Daddy! Hey, buddy. Oh, that leaks way on. So that's Brandon if you didn't get a full shot. Hey. Hey. No, you follow me everywhere. Okay, gotta go, Brandon. Oh. So I didn't really show my face for that long. But yeah, we're taking Brandon back to the shelter. I'm gonna miss him a lot.
Came out of, where did it come out of?
Because I don't know what happened. I'm gonna miss you a lot, Brandon. I hope he gets adopted to a nice family. Because we can't take pets in right now. But when I move, I'm gonna get a dog. But I don't know if I want to get one from a shelter or not. But we'll look at shelters. My hair is crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. And then we'll look at breeders, but shelters first.
Maybe tomorrow.
Hey, he just jumped up. Hey, Brandon. Hey, what's up, Brandon?
Okay, what about on Thursday?
He just jumped up. Brandon.
Okay. I'm gonna say let's do shoot for. What's on? Okay, let's shoot for Thursday. I'll try to give you a call.
I really hope he gets a good family. If they don't get good families, you know what happens. Drop them off. We're gonna go to the Mac store and get a computer. Oh no, are you okay? Just sit down. But yeah. Bye. Okay, so hey guys. So I just got a computer. It is me and my dad, so it's family, but yeah, I gotta use it a lot. So, let me fix this camera. So I got this card reader thing. I got a portable adapter and the computer itself. It is a MacBook Pro. It's a 13-inch silver 2.5 GHz 8GB / 256GB. And it has this really sleek design. I don't want to like ruin the box or anything. I'm sorry about the background noise. It is music and my family. So here it is. That's not opening. Oh my gosh. So here's the nice case. And here's the computer itself. I got the silver. It comes with the charger right here. I think, yeah, there's the charger. Then there's a packet right here. And I think it's the GoPro kit thing. It just comes with instructions and stuff, which I don't need, but yeah. Then of course it comes with the other thing that goes with the charger. I'm not bragging at all. I'm not being sarcastic. I just wanted to show you guys this. I just wanted to give you a unboxing video in my vlog, but yeah. And also, I'm going to end this vlog soon, so get ready for that, just because I'm gonna watch a movie with my family. So yeah, so I am going to set this up, and I might start editing this. My channel kind of went because I have almost 700 subscribers, which that's amazing, and I couldn't be more grateful. But since I stopped posting after the bubble bath vlog, it kind of is only like 10 views for a video, and I was just wondering why. A lot of you guys don't watch anymore, and if you could help me with that and just let your friends know that I'm back. I'm back, and I really miss talking to you guys and seeing your guys' comments and interacting with you guys, because it's hard to make a video when you don't think, there's no one there, no one's really gonna watch and care about a video. So it's really a lot easier to make a video and I guess have people watching, because you feel like there's actually someone you can talk to. That's really nice. So, especially when I'm going through hard times, I can just make a video, and when I was going through hard times, I could just make a video, and then, I guess, see all you guys' comments and stuff. Yeah. Hey guys, so yeah, I just finished that clip, which kind of got sappy, but sorry about that. Yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thanks you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys liked it. Sorry if it was boring, and I don't know, I just wanted to say this. I'm grateful for you guys, even if it's like 10 of you guys. It just means a lot. It's weird to think that there's 10 of you guys like actually spending the time to watch my video and like it. Or even if it's like 2 people or 3. It's crazy. I just wanted to check this. If you guys want to start a YouTube channel, don't worry about how many subs you have. It just, like, even if you have 10, just think about this. 10 people went through and found your video and was like, oh, this person's really good at videos, I'm gonna subscribe. Isn't that crazy? 10 people, even if you don't know them, that's cool. And so imagine millions. That's crazy. That's like 10 million. That, like, a lot of YouTubers have, some YouTubers have 10 million. That's like more than New York. That's crazy. So my dream, I just want to let you know, my dream is to get to like 1 million, but that's probably not gonna happen because there's so many people in the world. But I just hope I can get to at least 1,000. I know, just in like the YouTube world, it doesn't seem like that much, but 1,000 people, that's a lot. If you think about how many people are on a plane or something, that's 200. And that's a lot. I don't know, it's weird. And then it'd be even crazier if I got to 10,000. But anyways, sorry. This should be like a story time. Anyways, yeah. Even if there's a lot of hate, you guys that comment nice things really lighten my day. Like, even if it's like, oh, your eyes are pretty, even though I get that a lot, it's still like, wow, another person. That's cool. Yeah. Sorry for talking for minutes. Hopefully you're not bored. Anyways, please like this or dislike. I really don't care. I just wanted to know your feedback. Leave a comment if you want. Yeah. And in the description, I'm just gonna say some simple stuff. I don't want to have a long description or whatever. But down there, I'm just gonna say thanks guys for watching or whatever. So it's not that much. But yeah, it's cool because there's some people I can talk to on YouTube even when I'm going through hard times. Anyways, what should my outro be? What should my outro be, you guys? go down in the comments and let me know what my outro should be if you're still here after 20 minutes. And this clip, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna edit. There's too much talking. Anyways, thanks for y'all. I'm thinking of an outro. Bye fam, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.